Hi creatives, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Julie and I make planners, stickers, and cozy little tools to help you follow through on what you really care about. Today I'm going to show you what finally worked for me, and it all started with writing out one weekly goal. I didn't have much luck with traditional planners and I was using a dot grid journal, and then I finally had these planners printed. They're available in my shop Monday anyway. So let's dive in. I want to talk to you about how this worked, why this worked, and what is it that I do to keep myself on track with my creative goals. I use this simple structure to completely change how I plan as a creative, and I think it can help you plan too. Why does a weekly goal matter, you might be wondering? Well, most people talk about goals, but they never write them down, and even fewer break those large dreams into smaller, actionable goals. I came to realize if it isn't written, it's not a plan, it's just a wish. How many times have you heard someone say, I want to write a book, I want to run a marathon, whatever it is. But then if you were to open their phone, their planner, their journal, there's not a single thing that reflects how they're going to make that goal happen. I gave a lot of thought to why I was so busy. I was really productive and I was getting a lot of stuff done, but not really stuff that brought me closer to achieving my creative dreams. The biggest shift for me was giving each week one clear goal. Not 5, not a life overhaul, just one thing I'll take action on. Big dreams aren't built in one dramatic moment. They're built in tiny, ordinary moments repeated over and over. This week, my goal is to focus on something specific and visible. When I see it written down, it changes how my brain feels, and it feels grounded. Instead of massive to-do lists, I separate goal actions from my daily life tasks, and I limit myself to no more than 2 meaningful goal actions per day that support my weekly goal. That's right. Choose one meaningful weekly goal related to your larger creative vision, and then break that down into smaller steps. No more than 14 clear actions. I call those my Lean 14. So here's the key difference. Actions are not everyday to-dos. Action steps are things that move your goal forward. An everyday to-do is something like laundry or errands or answering email or even your day job, like me. That stuff still matters, but it doesn't belong in my Lean 14 action list. Why 14? Because that's basically 2 doable actions a day. Only 2. It's realistic, it's achievable, and it fits my real life, especially my creative life. Some days I have more time and I can do more. Some days I have less time. But consistently moving forward is the point. By keeping a list of 14 for the week, I can decide which days I can make those actions happen. Right now, I keep my pages simple. Colorful background and a few stickers so the page feels inviting and fun, not overwhelming. I designed this printed planner around this rhythm. 1 weekly goal, 2 actions per day. Those actions don't have to happen on a particular day. They happen at some point during the week. The planner's undated, it's flexible, and it's guilt-free. Start anytime, skip days, or shift your actions around. There's no guilt, no wasted pages, just steady progress. So, in the time that we've been here together, I've managed to fill in this background, put in some shimmer dots, and added some stickers. Thanks so much for planning with me today. And remember, it's going to be Monday anyway. A plan helps, and stickers help more. I'll see you in the next one.